how to transfer crypto from Binance to PayPal instantly. So the first thing that we need to do is simply go to this website called instantexchangers.com and kindly sign in our account in here. And upon signing in, you'll automatically be directed on this page where you can start exchanging and transferring different kind of cryptocurrency in here to your PayPal account. So as you can see, I'm just choosing USDT, and below just simply enter here the recipient wallet address or your PayPal email address in here. Then click the continue button to proceed, and upon doing so, you will be able to be directed on this page, and below just scroll down and click or check these boxes and click the continue button. Then from here it will show you all the details that you need to consider, including the wallet address in here that we can simply copy, and after copying, just simply go to our Binance account in here and make sure to already select here the coin or the kind of cryptocurrency that we will send. Then below just simply paste here the wallet address that we just copy, and also kindly select here the network and also the amount below here. So make sure to send the exact amount of USDT in here that has been stated on this page. And after successfully sending the money or cryptocurrency to this wallet address by clicking the withdraw button right here, just simply go back to this page and click I have paid button. And after the payment has been processed, you'll be able to receive the amount of money in here to your PayPal account. And that is just how you can start transferring crypto from Binance to PayPal instantly. Thank you.